Yo guys, we got it. Freaking Sextol in the Aventador SVJ right here, guys. Yes, look at it.
Oh man, this man means business. Oh! Oh! I got blown away. This guy's crazy. Oh, we got... Hey, yo! Bing bong! Oh, we got the S19. We got Corey. Oh, Corey, come on. You gotta lower it a little bit. It's a drift car, but hey, the wastegate. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, that's too easy. That was too easy. What we got? Can he clear it? Oh, you might have to air out a little. Oh, he already is airing it. Hey, let's go. He made it through. Hey, bag saved lives. Oh, Need for Speed. Need for Speed music right here. We're back in underground right now. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Hey, what we got here? Hey, we might have to disqual. Hey, these guys are crazy. These guys are crazy. Hey, who left them in the show? Oh, he's drifting around. Lowrider. Hey, they call them lowriders for a reason. If you don't pass this, you're no longer a lowrider, bro. Hey, bounce that. Oh! Hey, make it bounce! Make it bounce! Go low! Ah! Lower the car! Keep it down. Alright, once this Lambo comes by, we have to shut this down. In about 15 minutes, the sun show goes on right now at the crazy bikes out there. So basically, stop revving your engines! Alright, thank you guys for coming out here, but this is the end. Over. Hey, chill, no more. Two-step. Do that the two-step, bro. Maybe you guys can. Anybody got the... Oh shit, I'm back there on you, bro. Oh, he didn't make it. Hey, no! Oh, he wants to be extra low. Be extra. Oh! He almost flew up. Playing today. Oh, bro, they finessed you, dude. Oh, we got. The boss just spoke. We gotta wrap it up. Hey, y'all need to keep going. Open it up so we can get through, please. Proceed with the boss kit. Oh, we got the Ferrari behind. Oh, what is that over there? Hey, keep it going. Hey, keep it going. See what you got. Okay. Oh, we got Bigfoot back there. Oh, damn. Hey, chill. Oh, whoa, Hey, they said next time. I was gonna say the wing. I'm a boss, I'm a brat, how to handle. I'm a real. Oh, the wing. Will the wing make it though? Is it? Oh, we got the Porsche. Are you back? Oh, sorry, bro. Cool car, but it's too high. Oh, you're not back. Oh no. Hey, good one. Hey, keep it going. Hey, keep it going. We got the two-step later. Hey, yo, keep it going, bro. Oh, what do we got? Hey, he just glitched the matrix. He glitched the matrix. Oh! Hey, good game, GG. Oh, and he's got a passenger? I don't know about this. Oh! Oh, she can't do it. She's trying to matrix, but no. Oh! Oh, damn! Damn! Okay. Will the wing make it? Hey, open it up so you can go through, please. Where's Chris? Chris, where you at?
Some crazy bikes out there. They're about to do wheelies, burnouts, handstands, the whole 9 yards.
Hey, thank you guys, but like Chris said, just save the revving for the two-step competition. We don't want them to shut us down, do we? Hey, Dan, you crazy. What are you doing over there, baby? Oh, no, baby. You stop. You're Dan. Oh, Dan. Oh, he's testing the wind. Oh, the hips don't lie. This man must be related to Shakira. I'm not too sure. So we got.
Alright guys, so we are here at Orlando Speedway, Origins meet. We got a couple of Supercars and JDM's American Muscles. Still early, but it's gonna be an epic show. Anime livery on the Lamborghini Gallardo. What do you guys think? And there is a anime livery on the Murcielago. This is the Murcielago with a GT1 kit. Pretty sick. Liberty Walk Aventador Roadster. Sick RX-7. We've got a couple GTRs. Pretty nice. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around because there are so many cars and it's really hard to go through every single one of them. Nice MK4 Supra. Clean RX-7 rolling in. Pretty cool. Seen this RX-7 a couple times. So forget about other cars. This thing is dope. Look at it. It's a mini monster truck. Clean AE 86 right there. Look at that Tesla with those wheels. What do you guys think? That's gonna be everywhere in the future with all the car meets now. The R35 GTR with a Red Bull livery. Lamborghini Huracan with the neon lights. What do you guys think? We got the Japanese supercar scene coming in LA, guys.